Right lane. What does Dilly GAF stand for? Let me see. Aqua Jet Racing. I need to come to Texas to get your car fixed. Aqua Jet Racing, that shit sound good. JS Performance. I done got doing that one time. Had a person, yeah man, bring it to me. Brought it to him, got fucked again. I'm scared to take that motherfucker to anybody now. Shit, I'm out of money. I don't even trust their ass. Gab, it's all done, buddy. What about this?
It's just water.
Then you can't blast their ass. Don't use your freaking platform to... These are people's lives. They don't want you to bash them.
People don't get that. They don't understand that red light, do they? Look out.
Hell no.
They think they can just get up on that rev limiter and they're gonna drop the tree.
I be trying to take my shit to the people who they be saying good. Shit. I don't know how I still be leaving. I still be leaving they shop. No full pass. How can you say it's done and it can't make a full pass? I ain't selling it yet. It's all right.
Scoot up so they didn't burn that dude down.
You said J&S Performance, they do good work. Oh, J&S Performance, they do good work. Prime. Oh, that's who did theirs. Oh snap! I got somebody good in here. What's up, J&S? I ain't know you, man. That's how I started. I went to somebody I ain't know. Next thing I know, I done got again. Damn. I done met people steal parts, owe you money, don't want to pay, buy motors, have you buying unnecessary parts, trying to keep your old parts. Well, I done deal with some motherfuckers. Look, got him right here. Now he asking me when my car gonna be ready, see? Look, then I got a person like him ready to get his ass whooped. I'm supposed to be whooping the shit out of him. I ain't went to now shop that can help me whoop his ass yet. He ain't even supposed to be talking to me. He ain't talking. They be doing that shit wrong. I went to a transmission shop and left the transmission shop a quart and a half load of transmission fluid. I done paid. Lane for the win. Yeah. And paid $40 more for the transmission fluid that was in there. Paid 40 for the fluid that was put in. And then still needed a quart and a half more as I left. That's the kind of service I be getting. I gotta fix you right up, buddy. Alright. back, you don't have a warranty. Okay, hey y'all, for my people that's watching on TikTok, we HD right now on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. It's probably running hot. It look like it's water. Yeah, I think it's water pump. I think your belt came out from the water pump and got you hot. Damn, y'all. Belt broke. That's that hard ass burnout he be doing. God damn. Yeah, I heard him. No, it's about right. Truck heavy. Truck heavy. Truck heavy. He got that juice button working. Look out, y'all. Y'all on my YouTube channel, right? You on my YouTube channel? Lookout Racing. Look, make sure y'all delay through Theo. Yeah, delay through Theo, through Awalito. Everybody, already, man. Look out, hey. This is my YouTube channel, man. Give her one too. Tell her uncle. Let me see who it is right here. Look out, y'all. This is my YouTube channel. Make sure you suscríbete a mi canal. Dile tu tío. Dile tu abuelito. Everybody, okay? And dale me gusta. Make sure you dale.